Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have a GARMIN Forerunner 170 and today I'm going to show you how to turn on this watch. So let's get started. To turn on our watch we need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes a few seconds I would say, maybe a bit more. So let's wait. And as you can see, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.